Now in this video, I am going to tell you what are the documents you need to have while traveling to Africa during this COVID time. Having these documents will ensure that you have a hassle-free travel and there is no problem created during your immigration process. So pay attention. Naturally, the first thing you require is your passport. It is the obvious thing. But this particular passport must be at least valid for 6 months after the date of your travel. Also, it must contain at least 2 blank pages per country you are visiting. Now, in my case, I am visiting Botswana, South Africa, Tanzania as well as Kenya. So at least 8 to 10 pages, I must ensure that they are blank. The second important thing you require is the visa for each country, either stamped on your passport or an electronic visa like you get in Kenya. I am taking a Tanzania visa on arrival. So when I was asked by the authority in Mumbai, I showed them they need to see the visa of all the countries where you are traveling. So I had South Africa visa, Botswana visa and Kenya visa. Tanzania they agreed because Tanzania on arrival it is available for the Indian tourists. Then they specifically ask you regarding the return ticket. You have to have a return ticket back to your home country because every country, everywhere, even in Seychelles, even in Johannesburg, I was asked about the return ticket. So you have to have a return ticket confirmed. Then the fourth thing, if you have traveled to the East African country in the past or you are going to travel, then you must have a yellow fever vaccination card. And the most important they are now asking is the COVID-19 vaccination, preferably with a booster dose. If your second dose was taken 6 or more months prior to your date of travel. Although they are not asking about the negative PCR test, but as a safety precaution, we did test ourselves a day prior to our departure from Mumbai and carried a negative RT-PCR test, although we were never asked anytime. Then there is a health declaration, or some countries they require an online submission of health declaration, and a health declaration form was given to us during our journey from Seychelles to Johannesburg. We filled up that particular form, but nobody surprisingly asked anything about that when we arrived at the immigration process of Johannesburg. In next video, I am going to tell you about what are the photographic equipments I carried during my safari in Africa this time. So stay tuned and keep exploring.